Hey everyone, just wanted to reach out. I know it's a short notice reminder, but this weekend, starting today, today's Friday, is the Hot Iron Dust Up in Carlton, Massachusetts. So if you're anywhere local, Mass, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Maine, Vermont, whatever, and you want to come to the event, it's a pretty awesome event. I probably won't make it there until Sunday. I have prior engagements for tomorrow that you guys will find out about very soon. It's pretty exciting. But anyway, the Hot Iron Dust Up, definitely worth a trip over there. I believe I have some footage from a lady that went there last year. She allowed me to share her footage. I didn't share it last year, so I'm going to share it right now so you guys get a feel for what's going on. I'm going to get this posted very shortly, so hopefully it'll get out early enough so you guys can get out there and have some fun. And maybe I'll see some of you guys there Sunday, hopefully, and whatnot. But it is, today is Friday, June 19th. So today, it is basically set up, test and tune. There's a pre-party at the Timber Yard Brewing Company at 6 p.m. That's over in East Brookfield. And then Saturday, June 20th, and Sunday, June 21st, that's basically the 2 days of racing. So if you can make it over there, that would be substantially satisfying to anybody that goes. It is iconic. I'm excited for Sunday. As excited I am for what I'm doing tomorrow, I am way more excited for Sunday. Hopefully tomorrow goes smooth and I can get over there for Sunday and experience some of this in person. And next year, I will be there with something that I purposely built, because I don't have anything that's built that fits the class right now, because it's you can check out the rules, but it's pre-57-ish, something like that. But flatheads, early overhead valves, maybe, or maybe only flatheads. Sorry, I didn't look into the details before calling. I know them. There's just a lot of events that I have going on in my head at the moment. But I'll tag in at the end a picture of the flyer for it, so you guys can know what's going on. And they're on Facebook and I believe Instagram. But go on, see what there is. Oh, I think racing is closed. Yeah, I think the entry for racing might be closed. You can reach out to them, check in, but I believe it's closed already. So pretty much spectators at this point. But I guarantee you it'll be worth it. It's pretty awesome. It's at 508 International. It's a place in Carlton, Massachusetts. That place's address is 219 Brookfield Road, Carlton, Massachusetts. Charlton. So you know how to spell it with my Boston accent. So anyway, I'm going to clip in some of these videos that lady's allowing me to share and get this out. I'll put in the flyer at the end. Hope you guys enjoy the video, but I hope some of you guys can get out there and check it out. And hopefully I have some footage for you guys from there for Sunday. Thanks for coming in. And I just wanted to say a big personal thank you to Samantha Lee for the videos and the pictures and all that stuff. I appreciate the footage. Everybody else, I'm sorry for the scrolling, because I was just doing a screen recording as I was going through and recording the stuff she's allowing me to post. It would have taken astronomical amounts of time to try and catch each video on a screen recording and then edit it down. So bear with the shuffling back and forth. It's worth watching through. So thank you.